from D&T TV. David's Aunt Ruth posted Uncle Claude's Chevy on Facebook. Well, I got in touch with Ruth and invited myself and David to their winter home in Sun City so that we could take a look. Claude has been an inspiration to David, and he has restored cars for as long as David can remember. Here's what we found.
You have this at a mechanic, and I'm just curious because I know you could fix it. You just wanted to have somebody else do it?
You gotta have tools.
You don't have any tools down here.
Yeah, no.
Well, I got tools, a couple crescent wrenches. I got an uncle that's all he farmer. That's how he fixed his tractor. A crescent wrench and a plier and a screwdriver, and that was it.
Well, it's rudimentary, but it'd probably work.
He farmed for 40 or 50 years with it. That's what he used.
Huh.
So if we can get it running, or well, it is running now, but he's going to have a window put in too.
Mm-hmm.
I think.
So how did you happen to find the car?
Well, I tell you what, we were on the way down here, and I went through solo, and anyway, I said, "Oh, there's a '56 Chevrolet," and I thought it was a two-door hardtop because that's what I really wanted.
Yeah.
And so, because I used to have one of them in 1956.
Wow.
I got one when I graduated from high school in '56, and in the fall I got a new '56 that was
Demonstrator.
demonstrator just before the '57s came out.
Yeah.
And then it was about $400 less money, of course. And then the money was important, and so that's why I got it.
So you're going to paint it back in the same color, or you got a different color?
No.
What color are you going to do?
Well,
You have your phone? Can you find it, or do you want me to?
Looks like it had a radio, and the radio is this thing.
Can you see that color? It's
Oh,
kind
yeah.
of olive green.
Yeah. Well, let's enlarge it and show it to Miss Trish here.
Okay, and the next, this is, you might want
See the color they're going to do?
to, no, and this is the front. It's an olive green and a yellow.
It's going to spice it up a little bit.
But he's thinking of red and white or red and ivory. Either that color that he has there or red and ivory.
see, this color is the color of mine.
This is the color he really wants it, I think.
Yeah.
See, this is more.
Mm-hmm.
Or one like it. Where is that? The other one that shows the back of the car.
Right there.
There. See, that's the color of my car.
Okay, so you want to put it back in the same sort of color. I get it.
That's what I liked it.
Well, why not do it then?
Nobody likes that color.
Nobody
But
liked
if
it.
he likes the color, what difference does it make?
That's true, I guess.
It's his.
We all know that behind every successful car restoration stands a woman. And Ruth, you have what it takes. I shot the footage for this video on a Sunday in March. Time will only tell the chosen color. If you have any ideas on what the color combination should be, just write them in the comments below. We'd be happy to hear from you. Are you going to side with Claude, Ruth, or choose a color of your own?
But like I say, that window we put in this week.
So these guys put in the window too, or somebody come in here to do it?
Window man. And then we'll get the truck. The guy comes.
We don't have a key either, do we? He's waiting to see what's in the trunk.
Yeah, I am. I wonder what's in there.
Well, hopefully no dead bodies.
I hope not. It doesn't smell.
Well, if it's got bones and stuff in it, I can put them on the hood.
Yep.
But anyway, when you get the fender birds on here, I got a pair at home in this hog barn. But
That's where everybody keeps those.
but it'll have them on there too.
Uh-huh. So they got it running for you already.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't know if I can just turn the switch on and it'll go away. How about that?
It does stay running too.
Huh?
Not too
Well,
bad, I said. Not too bad.
I've seen worse. I've seen.
What,
cars
you've
that
been at my
look
place?
worse.
Yeah, but it isn't. See that now? Even on that side there, see that isn't rusting out either.
No. That's the nice thing about Southwest cars, is they're really
Yeah.
in good shape.
They are.
They're very solid vehicles.
Oh, there's the white wall too.
Huh?
There's a white wall tire too. But none of the tires are any good, really.
So you're going to come back and pick it up in June?
I think so.
Yeah.
I think so. June or July.
Yeah.
I was going to take it off, so I wouldn't show.
Yeah, I don't.
I
can't
started
believe
on
you
it.
left on there.
I started on it the other day, but you got to be careful so you don't scratch the windshield. It's pain.
Yeah.
I think don't scrape on it.
Probably a little lacquer thinner would take it
Yeah,
right
I
off.
think it would.
I'm sure it will. The only thing I don't like about it is people think that I paid that much for it.
Well, I didn't think you probably would. I know you too
I paid quite a bit.
This car is basically straight and has the potential for her inner beauty to shine. Don't worry about that broken windshield in the back or the other imperfections. There are so many resources available, catalogs, clubs, and of course the internet. Don't forget Claude's talent and special touch.
Everybody made fun of my car.
And he doesn't like
Except your
everybody
mother.
laughing at his car.
It's got LOF glass in it, Trish.
Huh?
Oh, well, this is a big deal to me. Libby Owens Ford. It has Libby Owens Ford safety plate glass, LOF. That's what that stands for. Well, the reason it's a big deal is because Ray Graham, one of the three Graham brothers, was the chairman of the board of that company. Because that's a company that inherited the Graham glass things that they sold to them. And so he became chairman of the board of the company.
Yeah, see the safety glass, that's why it must be they don't fall out. It's got stick up around your brain.
And it's even got, what's it got for a code? Seen all of them are done like that? No, I laser cut those emblems and put them back on the windows so they match the cars the way they were supposed to be originally. So they're actually on my restored cars.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What do you glue them together then, or what?
Now what you do is to put this on here, that little piece, I laser cut a sticker. Put the sticker on the window and take my little miniature sandblaster, it's called an air eraser. I use aluminum oxide and spray it across the actual sticker I stuck on there. But the sticker's cut out wherever you want to leave this behind, and you peel it off and it looks exactly like a factory did.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You're tricky.
I took some extra pictures here so that we can get a closer look. I hope that I can do a video on this vehicle once the restoration is complete. I did find an outtake, and that is coming up.
That's
we're
the color
not
you like.
recording, I'll tell you what someone told me. You have to quit recording.
Oh, I have to quit recording.
This car isn't mine.